Microsoft Access. What is Microsoft Access course? Microsoft Access to Programs at New Horizons will teach you how to produce and make Access databases. Work with Access tables, partnerships, tricks, and constraints. Query data. Manage and also create user interfaces with Access types. Microsoft Access is a DBMS, likewise known as Database Management System, from Microsoft that combines the relational Microsoft Jet data source engine with an icon as well as software development tools. MS Access to Database Systems Analyst to create, evaluate as well as evaluate the company and also system data source needs, exploring alternate options and also supply seeking advice from services to administration. Prepares high-level and also in-depth technological requirements, aired as well as workflow diagrams. Microsoft Accessibility is an info monitoring device or relational database that helps you store details for reference, reporting, and also analysis. Access can likewise get over the restrictions located when attempting to manage huge quantities of details in Excel or various other spreadsheet applications. It offers the capability of a data source and also shows abilities to develop simple-to-navigate screens, types. It assists you to analyze large quantities of details, and also manage data efficiently. It is necessary because it significantly reduces the quantity of time called for to exchange as well as utilize info between Microsoft Workplace applications. About Microsoft Access Certification. Microsoft Access to Accreditation assists validates your proficiency utilizing Microsoft Office accessibility. Gaining Access qualification shows to clients as well as prospective employers that you have the specialist skills to function with confidence in Microsoft gain access to and also can optimize its functions to finish tasks. Microsoft Access is a relational database software application that allows tiny teams as well as individuals to conveniently organize and report on service information. Microsoft Accessibility is an excellent alternative to client-server databases for people and tiny groups, both technical as well as non-technical. Significance of Microsoft Access certification in 2021. It is an easy-to-learn device designed to produce company applications. It additionally offers comprehensive layout devices that enable you to create one of the most enticing programs. You can utilize gain access to very own templates or even make your own. Microsoft Access certification is very important due to the fact that it significantly decreases the quantity of time required to exchange and utilize the info in between Microsoft Office applications. Accessibility offers database monitoring performance for beginner end users as well as is extremely extensible with venture systems by expert developers. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for access courses in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best certification exam preparation course. This training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. The latest Microsoft Access exams result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for this certification course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/